Hi folks, I hope everybody is having a great day. In this video, I will show you how to share or make available the Mekorma Power Approvals app for the approvers or users of the application. Excuse me. To get started, I'm going to have you log in to the service account at make.powerapps.com like I've done here. We're going to verify we're in the correct environment in the application. And to share the app, the first thing we're going to do is on the very far left here, we're going to click Apps. And then we're going to go to the ellipsis next to Mekorma Power Approvals. And then we're going to scroll down to Share. And then we'll be prompted with the message to confirm once we have added our users. So if I type in the field, for example, my colleague here at Mekorma Boone, in my case, I don't have licenses available, but in your case, having licenses available, you will then be prompted to confirm, and then down at the bottom, click Share, so that Boone could be added as a list of users to use the app. And once you've completed it, you want to uncheck send an email, the invitation to the users, because you don't want to spam anybody, and they probably already know that they're going to be using the app. Don't need to get extra emails. And then you'll click Share to finalize, and that is all for sharing the application. That said, there is one more step. You need to share also the SQL connector, and this is a recent change in Microsoft, but it now applies. So to share the SQL connector to same users, we're going to go under Connections, and down here where I see my Dynamics SQL Server connection, I'm going to go to the ellipsis. I'm going to click Share, and similar to what we did before, I will add my colleague, and I'm going to give him can use rights. That's probably all you want to give to your users. So mark can use, and then click Save, and you're done. So that concludes the tutorial for sharing the application and the SQL connector for your users or approvers of the Mekorma Power Approvals application. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day.